How's it going, everybody? Robert and Julia with Bug and Me TV and RV Mobile Rescues. Today, we are finally replacing our little box vents. One in the bathroom and one in the kitchen over there. And we're actually putting in the super nice Max Air Fan clone. It's basically, instead of spending $400 on it, I was able to get them online for $150. It's still got the remote. It's the exact same features. You can run it while it's closed, etc. Rain sensors, all that good stuff. But we're just finishing stripping off the old butyl and sealant here, and then we're going to start clipping some wires, hooking up the new ones, and testing them out to make sure they work before we install them. And then we are going to mount them, seal them, and then we're also going to do the sealant and everything around these vents. I know they all look good, but we're going to get a nice rectangular box. We're going to use frog tape to put a seam around them, because when we put the Forever roof on, we want to make sure that we get a nice little border around there. So stay tuned. So a helpful tip when you're installing these vents: make sure you test them on the roof to make sure they actually work before you go through all the trouble of screwing the thing down, because it'd be a terrible shame to get this thing completely mounted and then come to find out it doesn't work. So always make sure you test it ahead of time, and you'll be a lot happier. And just like that, we are completed. We finished doing the sealant on the roof, and now with my magic wand, aka remote, I can turn this on, and then if I just go ahead and hit the fan. And the great thing about this fan is the way it's built, it will actually vent on the whether it's opened or not. It does have a rain sensor built into it, and I can simply hit up. And you'll watch this open. I can also increase the fan speed. And again, it's just like a Max Air Fan or a Fantastic Fan, but way cheaper. Then I can just hit power to turn it off, and it will close up and shut off. And we did the exact same thing in the kitchen and here. This one didn't even work before, so we actually have a functional vent up here now. That's it for this one, fellas.